So you're not a fan of the term, take a deep breath, are you?
Well, it depends on what you mean. You
Okay.
know, if we look at what does the word deep mean, if I was to open up an English dictionary, deep means far from the top. So in terms of breath, shallow breathing is upper chest breathing. Deep breathing is diaphragmatic breathing. So when you breathe, we should have lateral expansion and contraction of the lower two ribs. So if you were to put your hands in your lower two ribs there, and as you breathe in, that the lower ribs are gently moving out. And as you breathe out, the lower ribs are gently moving in. But now I need you to breathe light. So I want to have deep breathing with light breathing. So as you breathe in, your ribs are moving out, and as you breathe out, your ribs are moving in. This is the deep sense, in the true sense of the word.
So I guess what you're saying, we need to be more specific. Taking a deep breath might be good advice if it's quiet, if it is light, if it's through the nose and activating the diaphragm, then a deep breath can be brilliant.
That's exactly it.
But if we're doing it from the chest and through the mouth and really heavy, then that's going to have a different physiological effect.
Yes. We have to put it out there. Hard breathing and fast breathing doesn't increase oxygen delivery to the cells. It has the opposite effect. The more air you breathe, the less oxygen that gets delivered. If you want to increase oxygen delivery to the cells, if you want to improve your blood circulation, it's all about breathing light, quiet, and through the nose. Diaphragm breathing is vitally important for a number of functions. The diaphragm is connected with the emotions. When we breathe using our diaphragm, it increases lung volume. There's a better gas exchange taking place. And the best way to utilize the diaphragm is to breathe through the nose. But it should be a light breath. A deep breath is not a big breath.
Patrick, super interesting. I think it just really highlights, doesn't it, that yes, take a deep breath. If we don't do it in the most efficient way, if we don't do it lightly, if we don't do it using the diaphragm, we don't do it using the nose, we can actually take something that's potentially really helpful, and I won't go as far as saying it would be harmful, but maybe it's just not as efficient as it could be.
Yep, totally agree with you.